we have Avon here. Vintage 1970s or 80s, I'm assuming. This came from my mom's house. You clean things out, you find stuff. Now, my mom had quite a bit of Avon, but usually it was kind of older stuff. So, Dutch Treat Demi Cup, Hawaiian White Ginger Creamless, 3 full ounces. Avon products, New York, New York. Not sure how old this is, but we're gonna say 1980s, 1970s, 1980s. I may have gotten this from my mom. I don't know. It definitely looks like it's from the 70s, so it doesn't know what this design kind of. So it could go either or. Anyways, like, share, subscribe, I guess, if you have Avon to kind of find. Like, share, subscribe.